So when celebrity couples call it quits, some people really take this personally. Our celebrity-obsessed culture, emotionally, it devastates people, right?
Yes, I saw Justin and Brittany.
You got really sad,
I took that
right?
one to heart.
Right? All right. Well, thanks for staying with us this afternoon. I'm Tamsin Fidel.
And I'm Erin E. LeBeau. So sometimes celebrity couples give us a glimpse into their fantasy life that we can be a part of. And when they go through trauma, sometimes we feel it too, but it can be dangerous.
Yeah. Joining us now to talk more about this is couples psychologist Dr. Nilu Dardashti. Thanks so much for being with us.
Thank you.
Well, so why do some people feel like they have such a personal connection with celebrity couples? So when there's a breakup like this, we're devastated.
I think people tend to idealize celebrities and their relationships.
Okay.
And so when we see a breakup like that, we sort of wonder, oh my gosh, if it didn't work out with them, this sort of this couple that I put on a pedestal in terms of just expecting and projecting that everything is perfect about them, then that could happen to me.
All right, so looking at the expected Tom Brady and Gisele divorce, how does that impact our views of our lives?
Well, I'll tell you, I've actually seen the other side of it where people feel validated as well.
Mm-hmm.
Where they like, well, their lives aren't perfect like we thought they were. Maybe there are things that every couple deals with, not just celebrities. And maybe we all have this in common.
Well,
and it's actually can be very validating for people to realize that even famous celebrities have the same issues that we have in their relationships.
Yeah, it makes them relatable, and it makes us feel like, maybe they can understand exactly what we're going through. Well, so when a celebrity couple splits up in public, do you think that our visions of the concept of happily ever after also take a hit?
Probably, yes, because we sort of idealize onto these couples the idea, all of our happily ever after fantasies and all the that we see on TV and the hopefulness for the happily ever after. That being said, again, I think there's some utility to it.
Right.
Utility to being able to see that, even people who look picture perfect go through all the same stuff that everyone else goes through.
So we were talking about when these couples kind of split, we're emotionally invested. So what can we do to kind of protect our hearts, from a breakup that we're actually not going through, but someone else is going through?
Well, I mean, if your heart is that affected by what you're seeing with celebrities and what's going on with them, then I would really question sort of what's that about? Why are we so invested? Why am I so attached to seeing, this couple survive and thrive and make it? What's that about? I think we have to remember that what we project onto other people, whether it's celebrities or couples that we know, we really see the outside picture. That nobody's perfect. Nobody has got it perfect. Nobody has no problems in relationships. We're all flawed individuals. We're all imperfect. And, we can't just look at pictures and just assume that we know everything is perfect behind closed doors.
I guess I feel like with this couple in particular, they look perfect. They, everything.
Yes, the model couple.
Literally. Doctor, thank you so much for joining us this afternoon. We appreciate your insight.